right? No, it's not. Or is it? Yeah, it's probably purple. Aallikepko, right?
Vallila varikko.
No, it's Vallila. Yeah. Valkoisten puolella. And here is Hämeentie, the last vegan, and also Sturgatan. Very nice, very good speed. Here in Vallila Valgård, Helsinki's Uusivalli on Finland, today on the 11th of January 2023. We just filmed the sticky say. And that one is a Grabber's gated elevator from 1937, Rise 1981, but this got replaced by Orona for some reason. Strange. The STSA is with MV8 mod. We will go to it also the same as C. 6 was replaced in 2011. This number is 2976. Here's the Keskus, but Orona fixtures.
Yeah.
Let's take one quick right here. It says Orona on the panel also. It has these 4 purses of 320 grams. It should have been inspected last year, 2022.
Yeah.
Was that right? It lacks a door close button.
Yeah.
I have no idea why they decided to replace this. But it has a good interior.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspected, maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
Maybe there was some irreparable error on the former elevator, but also Orona is no better.
Yeah.
So it's strange. Because it had a good interior at least.
Yeah. That's